going on, guys? This is Nick from Budget Build Garage. I'm currently driving the El Camino. Sorry, I'm in traffic. Currently, we're driving the El Camino. I'm on my way to my parents' house because that's where I keep the Camaro. We're gonna start prepping that thing to get painted this week. Alright guys, so I'm here, I'm at my mother's, parents, whatever. I'm at my parents' house. Camaro's in there, but before we go in, I want to show you some stuff. I've been driving the El Camino for like a month now. This thing is fantastic. It's got a ton of torque. I wish I had a bit more horsepower. I wish I had a posi, because this thing will light up tire for like a block, no problem. That being said though, it's pretty awesome. I get to do a lot of stuff with it. Like for instance, I actually don't have a passenger seat in it right now. What I do have is absolutely everything I need for today. Got camera gear, lots and lots and lots of tools, and all my paint stuff. Yeah. Cool. Now, what is this here? Now, I'm not painting this thing myself. Honestly, it's kind of nice. Usually when I paint something, it's junk, so I don't really care about it. So yeah, I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna pull off the bumpers, the headlights, everything I can pull off I will. The grill will be out of it, that way when I deliver it, the guy will scuff it, do the body work that needs to be done, and paint it. So once I drop it off, it should be about 3 weeks, maybe a month depending, because the guy's kind of giving me a good deal, so he's kind of lagging on it, but that's okay, because obviously I don't need the car. So yeah, let's get working on that. Alright, let's see what I got. Well, let me show you what I got. This is apparently reducer. This is the actual paint I got. General Motors, Pull Me Over Red. Now, I was like, let's get rid of the flames, they're attracting too much attention. You know what will help? Super awesome red paint that never draws attention. Plus, with the name like Pull Me Over Red, you can't go wrong. This primer. Activator for the primer. Random cups and sticks and cores and whatnot. This is more reducer from House of Customs. Some clear. Clear is important. Apparently, I don't know, I usually use single stage stuff when I do stuff. This is like, not really Bondo, but Bondo filler. And some catalyst. So, more or less, this is everything the painter's gonna need. He's obviously gonna have to sand it, do a bunch of other stuff, but that's his problem. This is everything he asked me to get, so once I tear down the car, I'll throw all this back in the box, just throw it in the trunk of the car and deliver it. Alright, so a lot of what we're gonna need today is just kind of basic hand tool stuff. A couple sockets, bunch of wrenches, and honestly, mostly screwdrivers. A lot of the stuff's just gonna come off with some Phillips screwdrivers, and we're just gonna kinda take everything off, put all the nuts and bolts and screws into their own packages, label what they are, and by packages I mean Ziploc bags. Label what they are and then kind of put it away for a while. Kind of hard to see, but right here it's actually melted. I don't think it'll show up on camera. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, right here. Alright, so here's what I think we should do. I think we should not run bumpers. I think they look awesome. Because you can take these brackets off and you just leave it open and we just don't run a bumper at all.
I don't know, she wants chrome.
I know. I'm tired of the chrome.
Yeah. Not if you have black stripe, you know.
Yeah, we put red, black stripe, no bumpers. I really think it looks really clean without the bumpers. We can take these whole brackets off. A lot of people run them with no bumpers. We take these off.
Are you required to have a bumper?
Nope.
Oh.
Yeah, right? Why do it? Yeah, really, I mean, you just pull this bad boy off. Good to go.
Yeah, nice and clean and simple, real, and that's it.
Something tells me, though, that's not going to fly. Alright guys, so we've been at this for a couple of hours. We got the bumpers off, the grill out, the headlight buckets out. Interior is pretty much all gone. Sail panels are gone, kick panels are gone, carpet's gone, but that was already gone. Everything, door jambs, everything we could get off is off. Or everything we needed to get off is off. The other thing we did, we put the spoiler off the deck lid. That's off, so we can get that thing painted separate. Rear bumpers are off. I will pull the taillights off when I get there because I'm actually going to drive it there right now and I need to be somewhat legal. Yeah, no, it's pretty awesome. Everything went pretty well. These are off right here. Side mirrors are gone. Took all the hubcaps and the beauty rings off. All that is gone. And yeah, I'm going to go drop this thing off right now.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're here. Steve. Say hi, man.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, so we're looking over the car, and right here, I knew it would be a problem. I've said it before. It's probably been hit. We were looking into it, and he pointed out, let me see if I can get this on camera, that we've got some riveting right here. Which means they probably just stuck a panel over it.
My wife.
So, yeah. They probably just stuck a panel over it, bonded the whole thing in, made it look pretty. So we're going to go ahead and tear all the paint off. He's going to see what we're looking at, and we'll probably put a patch panel on it and go from there because I don't want to leave something like that. This thing's pretty awesome other than that. Yeah, he's going to tear everything down for a little bit, and I'll come back and we'll take a look. Alright guys, so the Camaro was dropped off. It was nice. It was cool to drive it. It'll be cool when it's a new color. I gotta go find like a nice patch panel for that area, for that rear quarter. No big deal. Well, I'm gonna have to wait till he grinds it all out and gets the paint off of it to see what we're really working with, and then I'll find the panel. Because I might actually be replacing the whole fender, but that's the way these things go. No big deal. The other thing I picked up though while I was there, he actually had the headlight buckets for the El Camino, which is awesome, as well as 3 out of the 4 headlight bezels. So that's gonna save me a bit of money, and I only need to track down a couple more things to make that work. Then find a bumper, find a grill, and dang, this El Camino is starting to look like a real car. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'm pretty excited about the Camaro. Unfortunately, all I can do now is wait. So as soon as I know anything, as soon as I see anything, I'll post another video about it. Alright, well, if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.